There are several important aspects of human existence. Technology is one of them. It goes a long way in helping us carry out our daily tasks. Additionally, it keeps us linked to the world, and due to importance of technology to human existence on Earth, several tech firms have sprung up in the last couple of years, and with the rise of these many tech firms have come to significant increase in the rate at which crazy gadgets and innovations are being released. Now, all these gadgets are useful in one way. However, not all of them will blow your mind away. You might only sometimes come across inventions that'll blow your mind away, so in this video, we'll look at 5 crazy gadgets and inventions that'll blow your mind away. Let's get started. Number 1, night shift. Are you looking for an invention that can help give your helmet some personality? If yes, the night shift is the gadget you need. You can get the best out of this gadget without running any wires or the need for an installation. All you have to do is peel the kit and attach it to your helmet. The night mode app with this invention gives you the freedom to choose from over 20 animations. Also, you can get these animations in whatever color you want. That's not all. With the features built-in microphone that comes with this gadget, you can enjoy your favorite songs while on a ride. Amazingly, with this device comes a battery life of over 7 hours. Also, its water-resistant feature means you can ride while it's raining. Number 2, Joy's Cube. This device might mean little to you if you have no interest in gaming, but on the other hand, if you're a die-hard fan of gaming systems, then this one might be unable to do without as soon as you have a taste of it. With the system comes 3 controllers that are cube-shaped. These controllers feature sensors on their 4 sides. Additionally, they connect wirelessly. These cubes are very sensitive to motion and communicate well when tilted, rotated, placed together, or shaken. The device is portable and interactive, so you can keep the fun to yourself. When you get this gaming system, you automatically have access to 5 games. However, you're not limited to these. You can always download more from their website. There's more. If you're a sucker for immersive gaming experiences, you can enjoy the VR compatibility of this cube. Number 3, PrintX. With PrintX, you might need never to visit the printer's office as it was designed to handle your printing needs regardless of what they are. PrintX is about the size of an adult's palm and is super versatile. It can comfortably print in color and on several surfaces. PrintX comes with a labeled printing extension which makes it ideal for organizing your office or home. Additionally, it can come in handy for anyone looking to personalize their favorite pictures. If this is something you have in mind, all you need to do is use it alongside a 3D printer. The device has an interface that is easy to use, and it does not matter if you need it for work or play. It can always help you meet your needs. Number 4, Trackpod. If you fall into the category of people looking to have fun while moving around, the Trackpod is a device you will love. It has a state-of-the-art design that'll help you move around your neighborhood effortlessly. With its innovative steering system, you can turn and move your weight effortlessly. This feature helps you stay in good control of your trajectory and speed. Furthermore, its flexible surface helps you enjoy a feeling you can't have on a surfboard. Number 5, Arena. Few people know that they can stay fit and have well-toned bodies without visiting the gym. This device is apt if you're interested in something other than visiting a conventional gym but love working out. It is a smart gym that was built in the United States. It uses motorized resistance and can come in handy for the most demanding workout routines. Also, power will never be a problem because once fully charged, you can work out for a whole month with this gadget. Have you made any use of these gadgets or something similar? Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're never going to miss any of our future updates. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.